Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us today. And first, I want to just welcome you to the Phil's Home Construction family. But before we get into what I'm going to say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so when we drop new content, you can totally get all the info you need. More information, the better the process. With that said, today I'm going to talk about how to prepare for Phil's home construction to show up to get your project done for you. And some of the ways you prepared, for example, your kitchen, your bathroom, your flooring, full remodel. What we want to do is do our best to get all these things, like for example, your kitchen cabinet, we want to make sure we get that cleared out. Your bathrooms, we want to make sure we clear out everything. So basically, clear out everything that you don't want to get destroyed, you don't want to get damaged. For the flooring situation, that can be a little tricky because most of the time we have the entire space for ourselves while we're doing the floor. But if we don't have that option, so what we can do is get a pod or some type of storage unit on site where we can move everything from inside and put in those units so it doesn't get damaged. And a lot of time what I realize, clients don't really want to do that, but when you don't do that, it makes things harder for us to make your project efficient and time consuming, or spend less time, to get your project done for you. So please try to help with that. Please try to just be informative. We will do the same thing. And what we normally do, I normally informed you, the office normally informed you, text, email, phone call, that type of stuff to make sure everybody on the same page. Make sure your project run as smooth as possible, on budget, on time, and we just want to keep the communication going. For your pets, try to make sure that we're considerate about the pets. Maybe they need to be boarded. A lot of times what I realize is that pets are a little skittish of the noise, from a nail gun, a hammer, demolition, that type of thing. And also with you guys, you will possibly need to be staying somewhere for the whole process because construction can be very dusty, very noisy. I'm not sure if you want to be in the middle of that while we're doing your project for you. You know, especially when it comes to like drywall. A lot of time you may not know, but drywall is very, very dusty. If we're not doing the entire house, we try to tape off or quarantine different areas of the house to eliminate the amount of dust that goes through your entire house. Because in the end, we want to do an awesome job and we want you to be absolutely happy with every decision you make throughout the entire process. So just keep that in mind, guys. Pet stay, maybe apartment stay, Airbnb, that type of thing. A lot of those information, we have those available if you need those information. Again, thank you so much for being a part of the Phil's Home Construction team. 90% of the time I'm on site. If you have anything, feel free to get with me right away and we can put that in process to make things happen so we can get things done really fast for you guys. Thank you so much again for being a part of the Phil's Home Construction team.